Hi guys, and welcome back. So this is Unit 6, Day 5, Writing Equations of Perpendicular Lines. And our objectives are to be able to write the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line. And again, we'll use point-slope form to do that. So if you remember, perpendicular lines, that's wrong. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect to form right angles. They have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. The slopes of perpendicular lines have a product of -1. So the steps are very similar to doing parallel, only we need to switch our slopes. So once again, we're writing them in slope-intercept form, which means we need to simplify. So we're still going to use point-slope form and just simplify it. So when we look at number 1, we are going to be passing through the point 3, -2. We're going to be perpendicular to our line y equals 3/4 x minus 8. So once again, you need a point and you need a slope. We have a point, now we need a slope. So we look at our line. It is solved for y, so we know that our slope is whatever's on the x. So for this one, it is 3/4. So that's our original slope. So we need to find our perpendicular slope, which means we're going to flip our slope over and change the sign. So we get -4/3. Once you've done that, the process is the same as yesterday with parallel lines. So we're going to plug into our point slope form. Now, the biggest thing students usually mess up on is they use the original slope. You don't want to use the original slope. We switched it. Why would we switch it and not use it? So you want to use the slope that you've created. So we're going to plug in that -4/3. We'll have x minus our point of 3 minus 2. Since we said at the beginning we wanted in slope-intercept form, we are going to distribute. So we're going to get y equals -4/3x. And then -4 times -3 is +12 divided by 3 gives us a +4 minus 2. Then we combine our like terms. So we get that y is equal to -4/3x plus 2. You can look and see -4/3 and 3/4 are opposite reciprocals. Even if the y-intercepts were the same, that would be fine. That would just be where they were intersecting. So we are all finished. Looking at number 3, we're going to use the same process. So we want a line that passes through the point 0,2 perpendicular to the line 3y equals 4x plus 6. The first thing I notice is that my y is not by itself. So to get it by itself, I'm going to divide everything by 3. So that gives me that y is equal to 4/3x plus 2. Once I've done that, I can say that my slope is 4/3, which then makes it easy to see that my perpendicular slope will be -3/4. It started as positive, so I need to make it negative and flip my fraction. I'm going to plug in to y equals m times x minus x1 plus y1 using my point and my new slope. So when I plug in, I get that y is equal to -3/4 times x minus 0 plus 2. Since we want it in slope-intercept form, I'm going to distribute my -3/4, which gives me -3/4x. -3/4 times 0 is 0 plus 2, so that is my final answer. Again, if you had noticed that's the point 0,2, that means it's the y-intercept. So you don't have to do that point slope form, but if you want to keep this process the same, you can. So tomorrow in class, I will answer any more questions that you have, and we'll do some more questions. And I hope that you have a great afternoon. Make great choices.